Next level particular. So one person, some group basically has drawn that diagram, and that diagram data basically this TCS group basically is having basically. So one of the person told that yes, yeah, basically TCS group is the TCS. So here basically I have taken the example of TCS basically because number one software company is TCS basically. So they only having the data basically. So here one person told that nowadays basically the artificial intelligence group basically are connected. Artificial equal to future data, and future data basically are conditions, because on the base of conditions basically they are getting converted into human needs basically. One person asked the question, how basically you can say. So the best example is 1 lakh liter basically petrol basically is getting produced basically in the UAE land basically. What is on the base of that basically? So 1 lakh buildings basically are there. That data basically is getting processed. Set of conditions basically are ongoing inside the land, UAE land, Arab land, Asian land. Then basically that conditions basically reaches to the UAE land. There also lots of conditions basically of the artificial intelligence happens. Petrol basically produced. So that means AI equal to conditions. Basically. That here basically it's proved basically that AI equal to conditions. So the biggest example is this of the AI basically, that is the artificial intelligence basically. Otherwise basically it will get convert to some other conditions basically. And if other condition, that means basically the other data basically is going to produce. So here basically one of the person told that like this basically 1 lakh liter basically petrol basically is getting produced basically inside the land basically, which is on the base of basically the 1 lakh building basically, which is created long before basically by the Russian group basically. So here basically we have taken the example of Russia. You can take the example of India also, you can take the example of Sri Lanka also, you can take the example of Pakistan also, you can take the example of Bangladesh also, you can take the example of Ireland also, you can take the example of Italy also. So you can just imagine basically. So here one person told that yes. So next video see.